Hi, are you a business owner or self-employed? If so, tax planning can help you save thousands of pounds and avoid unwanted surprises. My name is Dora. I am the accountant at Grace Certified Accountants. Today, I'm sharing with you top benefits of proactive tax planning and show you how it can make your life easier and stress-free. 1. Avoid unnecessary tax bills and penalties. No one likes last-minute tax panic because late filing equals fines. For example, if you miss the submission deadline, which is 31st of January, then you get an automatic £100 late filing penalty. So what's the solution? Well, plan ahead, track deadlines, and avoid unnecessary fines. You see, if you track the deadlines, you put in the calendar that 31st of January is the filing deadline and the payment deadline, then that way, and ensure that you pay and submit your tax return as early as you can, and your tax liability, if there's any required, by the payment deadline, which happens to be the same date as the submission deadline, then that way you avoid any late payment or late filing penalties. 2. Maximize tax deductions and allowances. Did you know that many business owners pay more tax than they should because they miss out on deductions and allowances? By planning ahead, you can make sure that you claim all allowable deductions. Things like business expenses such as travel, training, business purchases, including that chair that you're sitting on. You can claim things like, pension contributions. So pension contributions work in a slightly different way, but the thing is that your pension contributions will reduce your taxable income. And then there's also the annual investment allowance is a deduction that you can claim when you make big business purchases. So if you don't plan ahead, you might miss out on huge tax saving opportunities like the ones I've just mentioned. 3. Improve cash flow and budgeting. Have you ever been hit with a huge tax bill that you weren't expecting? Well, smart planning equals better cash flow. Here's what you can do. 1. Set aside 20% of your income for taxes. So by, for example, creating or setting up another account that's just specific for your tax fund. So 20% of your income, put it into your tax fund or tax account. Secondly, keep track of your expenses. So keep track of your income and expenses. By doing so, you ensure that you know what tax you can expect to pay, and also avoid or it is advisable to track your expenses and income on a monthly basis and not on waiting up until the end of the year, because then that makes it a big job to do. 4. Make smarter business decisions. Are you thinking of expanding your business or making a big investment? Tax planning will help you make better financial choices. If you know your expected tax bill, you can invest in your business, at the right time. You can also avoid moving unexpectedly into a higher tax bracket. You can also reduce your overall tax liability by planning strategically. Therefore, smart tax planning equals smarter business growth. 5. Plan for the future, i.e. retirement, investment, and growth. Your tax strategy should help you plan for the long term. Think beyond just the tax year. Are you contributing into a pension? Is it tax efficient? Things like, contributing into a pension when you're self-employed or indeed working as a limited company, can help reduce your taxable income. It works slightly different when you're self-employed compared to when you're working as a limited company. However, the overall point is that, contributing into a pension will help with being tax efficient by reducing your taxable income. Secondly, are you investing without paying extra tax? And thirdly, is your business structure tax efficient? So these are all things that you can look into to help you be tax efficient. If you're not planning ahead, unfortunately, you could be losing out on long-term financial benefits. Finally, proactive tax planning isn't just about paying taxes. It's about paying less. It's about staying stress-free and keeping more of your hard-earned money. Do you need help with proactive tax planning? If so, I'm here. Reach out and I'll be glad to have a conversation with you. My name is Dora from Grace Certified Accountants. Please feel free to share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more tax tips and advice. Thank you and have a great day.